Alrighty guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we'll be looking at the pattern fill option under the fill and stroke panel. But let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares to cover, and we also upload videos daily, so just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, just a reminder, this is a mini series on the fill and stroke panel, which will be located here on the right. So, artisanal paint mixing board, which we covered in the first video, the actual fill color, and today we'll be looking at the pattern. So in order for the pattern to work, first make sure you have a shape selected. So I will select the second triangle. Then under the fill, we'll be clicking on pattern. And then once we've selected that, you'll see it brings up the pattern fill options. So we have two tabs here. We've got my patterns and load image. I will show you the difference. And then under the actual pattern fill options here, we have a few different options. So here on the left, we've got kind of the in-house patterns, and you can favorite, and my patterns if you've uploaded any of your own. And to the right of that, we've got the actual patterns, a little preview of it. So if you hover your mouse, it will bring you a larger image. Now under the preview, we have a few options. So we obviously have a search. You can search it. And you've got your layout of the preview. So if we click this, it'll be a list, so you can kind of see the name, or you click it this one and it'll keep it on actual preview or thumbnail preview. And then we obviously have our navigation scroll bar here on the right, so if you have a lot of them, and then we have the thumbnail size here at the bottom. So if we drag this to the right, you'll see it increases our pattern size. Now you can also just click here on one of the corners and scale the actual pattern fill. So if you want to see it more with bigger thumbnails, you can always do that. Then under those settings, we have the actual settings for the pattern selected. So if we select the pattern, then if you want to see it update in your actual mat or canvas, you have to unfortunately click preview button. It doesn't automatically update it. Then under the settings here, we've got origin offset, so it's kind of the starting point of the pattern. So you've got the X and Y. You've got rotation. So let's grab bricks, you'll be able to see that nicer. Then to the right of that, so we've got origin offset, rotation, we've got size, the size of the pattern, and then we've got the row and column offset. So for now, let's just go to okay, also sorry, we've got the mirror horizontally and vertically. So if you want to change the actual orientation of it, I'm just going to scale this so we can see it better on our preview. Let's maybe set it to about 3. Then when I click update, now we can nicely see the bricks here on the left. So now what we can do is the origin offset. If you set this and click preview, it's a bit hard to see. You can see there was a change, but this is more if you don't have a repeating pattern, then this will be more obvious. So you can kind of set where it starts in the rotation. Obviously, if you want to follow it along another rotation, you can also do that. You just adjust this till you find something you like. And then we've got the skew. So this will basically set the skewing of the shape. It's a bit the same as free transforming a shape. As you can see, now I'll skew the actual pattern. But it's rarely you'll use the skew on a pattern, in my opinion. And then yeah, we've got, like I said, the size. Then we've got the row offset and column offset. So you can kind of increase that. And you can see where the next one joins, where the pattern repeats, you can have an offset. So it doesn't stay 100% repeating or symmetrical type repeating. Then on the top here, we've got mirror horizontally and vertically. So obviously you know, it's like I said, it's hard to see with a repeating pattern, but it will kind of just mirror the pattern horizontally or vertically. Then in the next video here, we will cover the how to add custom patterns and how to load an image. But yeah, otherwise, if you like the pattern, you can always just click OK, and it will save those settings for you. Otherwise, if we head here to vinylcut.co.za, the program is freely available here. Just head to the downloads page. Otherwise, the softwaretraining.co.za. As I mentioned earlier, we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. You can also isolate your search by the search bar on top here on to the right. And if you don't find what you're looking for, you can also request a training video. Then we will make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching. Until next one. Cheers.